Today we have a very special delivery from Nespresso, and we heard that it's something that Malaysians will enjoy in conjunction with Malaysia Day, so we just thought we'd like to share it with you. Here we have the new limited edition Malaysian Favourites 8-sleeve pack. As you can see, it comes in a beautifully designed box with illustrations of popular Malaysian landmarks such as Petronas Twin Towers, KL Tower, as well as national symbols like the hibiscus flower and the wow. So let's get unboxing to see what's inside. According to Nespresso, this assortment pack includes the brand's most popular flavors, as chosen by Malaysians. There are 8 flavors in total, including a blend of intense cocoa notes and roasted caramel flavors. All of Nespresso's coffees are freshly roasted and grounded before they are sealed in an aluminium capsule to ensure consistent flavors and quality from bean to cup. If you're new to Nespresso, you can take a quiz on their website to find out which flavors best suit your preference and discover cool recipes to try at home. Or you can walk into Nespresso boutiques for a coffee tasting. So to enjoy these Malaysian favorite flavors, we have 2 Nespresso machines with us today, which are the Nespresso Essenza Mini and the Nespresso Atlea. Fun fact, all Nespresso machines are packaged in fully recyclable boxes that are made from 95% recycled materials. The Essenza Mini is popular for its compact size that conveniently fits in modest spaces. It's also easy to use, allowing you to craft a fresh cup of coffee with just the press of a button. The Atlea is great if you enjoy milk with your coffee, as it allows you to craft your own milk coffee recipes such as cappuccino or flat white. It even allows you to froth any type of milk, including plant-based options. And there you have it, the perfect cup of fresh coffee that Malaysians can enjoy at home on Malaysia Day, or any day really. Aside from this limited edition pack, you can kickstart your own Nespresso journey with your preferred subscription plan through the brand's website. You can choose from a range of machines and select the number and type of Nespresso coffee capsules based on your needs. One last thing. Don't forget to recycle your used capsules by returning them to the boutique or passing them to Nespresso's delivery partner when they deliver the coffee you ordered online. Now excuse me while I enjoy my freshly brewed cup of Nespresso coffee.